day, students. So I'm your Sir Kevin, and today we will discuss about law of exponents. So let's proceed. So what is an exponent? So an exponent is a shorthand way to write repeated multiplication. So for example, we have here 5 raised to 4. So the 5 raised to 4 will be our power, 4 is the exponent, and 5 will be our base. So if we rewrite it as multiplication, that will become 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is equals to 625. So in exponent, we have rules or laws of exponent. So for the first one, we have product rule. So in product rule, it says that when multiplying powers with the same base, we will add the exponent. So for example, we have here a squared multiplied by a cubed, that will become a raised to 2 plus 3. That will result to a raised to 5. Another example, 5 cubed multiplied by 5 squared, that will become 5 raised to 3 plus 2. And 3 plus 2 is 5, so that will become 5 raised to 5. And 5 raised to 5 is equals to 3,125. Okay, I hope you got it. So let us proceed. Next is quotient rule. So in quotient rule, it says that when dividing powers with the same base, we will subtract the exponents. So we know in quotient rule, we have numerator and denominator when we convert division into fraction. Okay, so for example, we have here a raised to 5 as numerator and a squared as denominator. So the exponent in the numerator will be subtracted into the exponent of the numerator. So that will become a raised to 5 minus 2. And that is a cube. Okay, so another example, we have 4 raised to 7 over 4 raised to 3. So that will become 4 raised to 7 minus 3. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So that will become 4 raised to 4. And 4 raised to 4 is equals to 256. Okay. So next we have power rule. So in power rule, when a power is raised with another exponent, we will multiply the exponent. So for example, we have here a cube inside the parentheses, and it is raised to 2. So the outer exponent will be multiplied to the inner exponent, so that will become a raised to 3 times 2. And 3 times 2 is 6, so that will become a raised to 6. I hope you got it. So for another example, we have 2 cube, and that 2 cube is raised to cube. So we will multiply the outer exponent and the inner exponent, so that will become 2 raised to 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9, so that will become 2 raised to 9. And 2 raised to 9 is equals to 512. Okay, so that's the first 3 rules in laws of exponent. So we will discuss more on the next video. So that's it. So I hope you learned something for today. See you in the next video. Bye.